Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka Cot Admission nagamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course. Ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Katna sentiat jangka India kalalap pakar kom Hiar Thma ki leno the Resistance Front Pahalgam jangka Jammu and Kashmir kaya Syriem Thik Kumba Hiar Thma ki Hamas ya ka Israel bat kalalap ru pamenta ka Hamas bat ka Inter-Service Intelligence jangka Pakistan ki persyang ban penyari ki kampen Triem jongki sah kari Bangladesh. Hakajing bishar benia jangka tera sentiat kalap bagi don shibun ba kidak ki ba peni ba ka jing Shah Hiar Thma ki nong jungok kai Pahalgam Kalong Kumba, Hiar Thma ki Hamas ki pat ba balui-lui, haka nyau trik risau arajar al-pulai ha Israel, haka jaka ba pelong ya ka music festival. Shu kilayo jingtim, kabatikna bagi sangut ki lekno, ki bawan Hiar Thma ha Pahalgam, ki dei ki belasyak hikai pentebit ha Kashmir, ha ki jaka ki ba ha Pakistan. Bat ki ba ajing hikai yaki ki dei ki Hamas. La ajing hikai yaki ha ketem jaka Seng Jayesh e Muhammad, bat ha ketem jaka Lashkar e Taiba. Kisegle no kiba kershan daka ISI. Katrat sentiat kalayo lum jingtip ru bagi nonyalam jaka Hamas kilawan Shah Pakistan hau rumkhang mentau senam. Bal ayalam iki syaktem jaka Lashkar bat kajayesh bat kalayo ru yaka video kaba peni bagi nonyalam jaka Hamas kisyang dau pulai harawa lakon. Katu kaningmut na kinonyalam jaka Hamas kibaki itu dur kikentup yaw nong aktian jangka Khalid Al-Kadumi bat sa'uway pat Naji Zahir nalor Mufti Azam bat Utal Hasif. Hadin kata katanat sintiat kalayo dum jingtip ba mention snam hau risau ka ISI kala lit yalam ni kinong yalam ka Hamas syadhaka ban penpriang yegi kampen Triem hagit han chate lam mingi jokari India bat Bangladesh ban kaya trilang bat ka Al Markazul Islami ka seng kabaranjinga day bat ka Al-Qaeda. U ambassador jongka Israel she India ulai Arab yaki India banlum yaki ligi jingtim bat ulaong baka Hamas harengkat ka jingit trilang bagi kenhun lekno kidon ka plan ka bashir kai bha ya ka baka India kam day ban shimsting.
Of course, extended our condolences for the terrible attack that happened here. This is a watershed moment. We stand with India. It's a very important moment. And of course, we discussed things of mutual concern that have to do both with the fight against terrorism and also, how to enhance our cooperation. We have a great cooperation. We are great partners. And we're looking forward for more cooperation both bilaterally, regionally, and globally.